All right, class project time. Unsurprisingly, you've got a file to work from unless you've got something of your own. In this case, we're using the vector scope. So turn it on, make sure you add a vector mask to isolate a little bit of the paper and use the temperature to adjust. This is the file. It's called color correction J. Okay, and you can see in here, well, it looks fine. Have a little look, mask out a bit of the paper, probably this front bit. And you just see if there's a color cast. I know there is. See if you can fix it using the temperature sliders along here in the white balance. All right, experiment with the white balance automatic selector as well. Okay, try that as well, just for your own sake to see. Sometimes it works, a lot of the time it doesn't. There's a little bit of you playing around and keeping an eye on the vector scope. All right, once you're finished, I would like to see a before and after, okay, with the mask off. Okay, so before, and then with your Lumetri on and off, show me before and after. See where you got to. All right, I will see you in the next video.